To pay with your phone through Wells Fargo, you need a digital wallet. For Samsung device users, this can be achieved by adding your Wells Fargo cards to Samsung Pay, making payments easier. The process involves opening the Wells Fargo app, signing in, and tapping the menu at the bottom to access the card settings. From there, select the digital wallet option, which will display the supported digital wallets. Tap Samsung Pay to proceed, and all eligible Wells Fargo cards will appear. Select the desired card and tap Add to Samsung Pay next to it. Follow the prompts to verify and activate your card. Once completed, you can use your Wells Fargo card to pay for items using your Samsung device. Similarly, iPhone users can follow the same steps to add their Wells Fargo cards to Apple Pay, allowing them to pay with their phone through Wells Fargo. The process is straightforward, and with these simple steps, you can start making payments using your phone.